am prepping for this brand new patio slash oasis. I'm stopping at a Goodwill so I can see if I can find any type of greenery, shrubbery, planters. So let's go. Disney World, Walt Disney World. My grandchildren were so blessed. They got to see the first fireworks show in 472 days due to COVID. That was an awesome experience. They cheered, they clapped. But me, I am tired. I couldn't wait to get back to what I like to do, which relaxes me. I'm gonna start my porch sign for my back porch. So the first thing I'm going to do, these are gonna be my protective goggles for the day, is to sand down the porch. Save money all type of ways. That is the dollar paint from Walmart, and that is a Starr, but it's a paint sample. Just get a sample if you don't have a lot to paint. And I'm adding the blue because this wasn't no nursery. I didn't want a nursery looking back porch, so I had to add a little darker blue to give it a more adult-like color. And just slap that stuff on. It's gonna get rained on, snowed on, poured on, wherever state you live in. I live in Chicago and the weather don't never cooperate. So just slap that paint on any type of way you want it. It's gonna look good as long as you don't leave a bunch of bumps and lumps. Oh gosh, I don't know how long this was open. This shouldn't be that hard, although some people like it hard. I like it easy. All right, I got it how I want it. Another one of my little cheap brushes with poly on it. The poly is gonna hold my ribbons down.
You did the video?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Grilling and chilling. I like it. I think it's gonna give a pop of color to the backyard. Yep, it's the 4th, so that's gonna be happening all day. Let's go put it on the porch. ready for the grand finale. I made a little boo-boo right here and wasted some mulch. So I just want to clean it up before I do the big reveal. Like my little turtle I bought. Reminds me of myself in my little glasses. So all I wanted to do was bring in the outdoors. I did that, all of that mulch that used to be a bunch of weeds. And in order to get rid of the weeds, that's what I did. But it's a heat resistant cloth. And my porch sign. Grilling and chilling. Outdoor. Words and family was my theme. Enjoy the little things up against the backdrop. Live well, laugh often, love much, thankful, growth, company, one life. So, of course, this was going to be my favorite seat in the house. So this is where I'll be tonight for the fireworks. And it's the small little things that are important to me. So get you a corner of your house. I don't care if it's a closet. Take a piece of your house, your home, whatever area that you can find, and make it your own. Make it someplace where you go there to collect your thoughts. You go there to be creative. You go there to just get away from everyone else. Take something for yourself. We give so much. We give. And sometimes you have to give to yourself. Happy 4th of July. This is 4th of July 2021. I know over time I will make changes and adjustments, but for right now, this is my oasis. This is what I call home. It's a place where my family and I can come and connect. Until then, until I do something else with this place, peace out.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Flame of intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.